everyone, Daisy here again with another layout for the 12 Days of Summer series that Christy from Christy's Beautiful Life and I are doing. Today is day 8, however I got my days mixed up and I am doing day 7, which is palm leaves. For day 8 you're going to have to watch the video from yesterday, which was for Ink Road stamps, and it was stars and stripes. So today is palm leaves, and I am starting out by doing some watercoloring, and I'm using my Prima watercolors, and I am just creating these palm leaves here, and I'm just going to kind of wing it. I didn't draw anything out, I'm just kind of freehanding it, and they don't end up turning out exactly how I wanted, but pretty close, so I end up being happy with this. Now for this layout I am going to be using my Spiegel Mom Scrap Sequins, and I'm going to be using the is it one in a melon? I believe that's what it is. I'm going to show you two different mixes, and these are both from the new release, but I changed my mind and just decided to go with the one mix. So I'm just trying to decide where I want my photo to go and where I should add more leaves. The photo is of my daughter and my niece, and they were having a beach day at our family reunion and just having a good time, just walking along, and I thought it was a super cute photo, so I figured why not. The palm leaves kind of, make you think of the tropical weather and the beach and everything, and while this photo is not from a tropical climate whatsoever, it's from here in Wisconsin, I thought it would still work out just fine. So this is the last leaf that I'm going to add here, and then I am going to start adding my sequins. So what I am doing is there are 3 different colors of green sequins in this pack, and so I am going to kind of alternate them along the stem of the leaf, just to give it some added sparkle and interest and some different texture and dimension. And so these are the one in a melon, and it's got, like I said, the 3 different greens and then some pinks. First I'm going to add some gold Heidi Swap Color Shine, and just kind of sopping up the extra there with a paper towel. I always support one hand. The hand that I'm using the paper towel with, I always support it with my other hand, because otherwise I feel like I shake a little bit and then I make like a huge mess with the color shine and I ruin my beautiful drops. So that's why I was just kind of holding my hand funny there. So on this large one, there are these large discs that have like kind of a swirl pattern in them, and they are so much fun. And so I am using those with a mix of flat green discs. On this little one, I am using the flat green sequins, and I do come back with some little, they're like little, really small discs. And I'm just using my pickup tool here. It's called a jewel picker. I got it off of Amazon. It was only like $5 or $6, I think, and this is fabulous. Both ends are kind of sticky, and you can like re-stick them when they start to get a little bit dull, and they are just perfect for putting sequins on. Now this is a new glue that I'm using. I found it at my local scrapbooking store, which is Valley Stamp and Scrap. If you are in the Appleton, Neenah area, you should definitely check it out. I'm not sure if I like this glue yet. Not gonna lie. It's very liquid and it takes a little bit to dry, but it is very permanent once you get it on, and it does have this fine line tip on it, which I really like, so I haven't quite made up my mind yet on this glue. So on the different like stalks or branches of the leaves, I did a different mix on each one, And I used up most of my green out of that mix, but that's okay. You can't just save these things forever, right? So you might as well get them used, because Jody's always coming up with brand new mixes that are gorgeous, and once you move on to the next release, you tend to forget the ones you already have. So you might as well get them used while they're fresh in your mind and while you're having fun with them. With that being said, there are going to be some more new releases coming out. There's a September release. Excuse me. So you should head on over to the Spiegel Mom Scraps Instagram and also the Facebook group, which is 15 Minutes to Scrap with Spiegel Mom Scraps, and check out. You want to join in on both of those places, because then you can see when the new releases are coming and when there's sales going on. And there's also sketch challenges and other fun activities that we have going on. So you should head on over there and join at least in one of those areas, because you don't want to miss out on anything. So I decided to back my photo with a couple of these papers from the Fancy Pants Poolside collection, and I chose the green one and then the one that has the different leaves on it. I liked that little pop of red and pink that it gave. So then I added a few of the pink sequins that are in that One in a Melon collection as well. And I only added 5. I'm not really doing any embellishment clusters. I'm just going to add a title, and I really wanted the leaves to be kind of the focal point of this. So right now I'm looking for my letters, or looking through my thickers, and I'm going to decide on these, I can't think of the color, coral colored thickers, and I really like the font of these. And then I'm just going to say Beach Day is my title, and that's pretty much going to be it. So I want to thank you so much for watching. Head on over and check out Christy's channel. Her palm leaf one was yesterday, and today is her Canada inspired layout. So head on over there. And then also you want to follow Spiegel Mom Scrap. So I will see you again next time. Bye!